The performance of modern buildings relies entirely on their glass facades. Correct installation dictates a structure's energy efficiency, security, and the safety of everyone inside. Glaziers are the artisans responsible for this work. They take architectural plans and translate them into reality by measuring, cutting, and securing heavy glass panels into permanent frames. If a panel is incorrectly sealed, the building leaks air and water, leading to massive financial losses. If a heavy pane is improperly secured, it becomes a deadly hazard to the public. Because the stakes are so high, South Africa requires a standardized training path. You must prove your competence through a highly regulated assessment process before you can legally work as an independent glazier. Unlike architects or engineers who register with professional councils, glaziers follow the artisan trade route. 3 main bodies oversee this journey. CETA manages training, NAMB monitors testing, and the QCTO guarantees your final qualification. The end goal of navigating this system is to pass a practical test and earn an official QCTO trade certificate. Earning this certificate is the legal benchmark. You need it to operate independently, supervise installation teams, and submit tenders for commercial glazing projects. You can start this pathway with a grade 9, 10, or 11, or an NQF Level 3 equivalent. Because the job is physically demanding, you also need good manual dexterity, strong physical stamina, and the ability to work comfortably at heights. Training requires a 3-pronged approach. First, you learn theoretical math and blueprint reading. Then you practice practical workshop skills like cutting and edge finishing. Finally, you apply these skills during supervised on-site exposure. As you complete your on-site training, you must track your hours in an official workplace logbook. This document is the primary tool used to verify your real-world experience. Your logbook must capture specific physical competencies. You need entries proving you can fit safety glass, apply structural sealants, and assemble aluminum frames to exact specifications. Without a verified employer-signed logbook, your site experience has no legal standing. You cannot advance to the final trade test without it. On site, you are strictly bound by the Occupational Health and Safety Act. You have to demonstrate complete compliance with site safety regulations at all times. This includes following precise handling and installation codes for safety glass. These standards exist to prevent severe injuries and ensure the glass can withstand environmental pressures. Once your training is complete, you have to prove this technical and safety competence to the testing bodies through a formal application. To apply for the final assessment, you must submit a specific portfolio. Step 1. Provide your identity document, the required academic records, and your theoretical training certificates. Step 2. Include your completed workplace experience logbook, fully signed off by your supervising employer. Compiling this exact portfolio of evidence is the only way a candidate can reach the final testing phase. The final hurdle is the External Integrated Summative Assessment, which you will take at a QCTO-accredited trade test center, or in LELA. This test evaluates your ability to perform core glazing tasks. Assessors watch to ensure your work is safe, structurally accurate, and consistent from start to finish. Once you pass, the administrative clock starts. The trade test center sends your results to the relevant SETA within 5 working days. The SETA then compiles your documentation and forwards it to the National Artisan Moderation Body within 10 working days. Finally, NAM completes a quality assurance review and recommends that the QCTO issue your trade certificate within 21 days. This multi-layered moderation process protects the integrity of the trade. It ensures that only competent artisans receive the legal certification. Despite the preparation, candidates do fail the practical assessment. Knowing the common mistakes can help you avoid them. Assessors frequently fail candidates for material handling errors. This includes matching the wrong glass type to an aluminum frame or making poor measurements that waste expensive materials. Critical safety violations will also result in an immediate fail. Attempting to manually lift heavy panels without suction tools or ignoring proper lifting posture directly violates OHS protocols. Passing the test requires proving the ability to work without compromising material efficiency or human safety. Once you hold that QCTO trade certificate, your professional standing immediately elevates. You are officially recognized as a qualified artisan. This qualification provides the legal standing to supervise installation teams, bid on large commercial facade tenders, or establish your own private contracting business. To reach this point, your immediate next step is to enroll in an accredited training program and begin logging your workplace hours today. Certified glaziers are essential to modern construction. By completing this route, you secure the skills to physically shape and protect the South African skyline.